Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to access recovery mode on this laptop. In this video I'm going to show you two ways which you can use to enter recovery mode, but first let me show you how to access your recovery keys in case your device gets locked by a BitLocker. Well, if you have a Google account connected to your device, then it's a very probable to happen because you may trigger something that you're not supposed to on your laptop very easily, and I cannot tell you exactly what it is, what it's gonna be. So I'm just gonna show you the recovery keys which you can use in case your device gets locked by a BitLocker. After you enter the recovery key on a BitLocker screen, you will regain access to your system once again and will be able to either proceed into recovery mode or complete the operation you wanted to complete. Okay, so first let me switch to a different device on which I'm gonna be showing you how to access these recovery keys. So open the web browser and open the search engine in it and search for the aka.ms/myrecoverykey. Use this address in your path field right here, paste it right here, then press enter. Then you're gonna have to log into your Microsoft account, and the Microsoft account that is connected to the laptop. So first enter either the email or the phone number and click next, then enter the password to your account. Press next, and then you're probably gonna have to verify your identity by sending either an email or an SMS with a code by clicking right here. After that, you're gonna have to check this code and enter it into this field. Once you enter this code, you can decide whether you or not you want to sign in by clicking the respective options, and on the following field you'll see on the following page you're gonna see the table with all recovery keys. This table contains 5 columns: device name, key ID, recovery key device, and key upload date. If you know your device name, you can find the matching recovery key by the device name, and if you know when you set up your device for the first time, you can check the key upload date and see the matching recovery key by the key upload date. Unfortunately, they are not sorted by date, so you're gonna have to search for it. And alternatively, and basically it's probably the method that you're gonna use because it's the most convenient one. You can find the matching recovery key by the key ID. Now the key ID isn't, to my knowledge, isn't something that you can check, but it's something that you're gonna see in case your device actually gets blocked by a BitLocker. So just like I said before, if it happens, just find the key ID that you see on the screen, on the BitLocker screen, and find the recovery key that's matching this key ID, and just enter it to unlock your device. Now let's get back to the laptop. So the first way to enter the recovery mode is by holding the right shift button, but you have to start holding it right now. Go to the start menu, go to power options, then select restart, and just keep holding the right shift button until your device is restarted. Once your device is restarted, you're gonna see the please wait sign under the HP logo, and that's the moment when you can release the shift button. Okay, so now just wait until the recovery mode appears on your screen. Okay, so the recovery mode has appeared. You can navigate here using your touchpad or using arrow keys to select to navigate between options, and enter to select, backspace to go back, escape to exit. So here you can go, for example, to troubleshoot, advanced options, and choose whatever you want to choose. But I'm gonna select turn off this PC. option and wait until it's turned off to show you the second method of how you can force enter the recovery mode. So basically it's the force method because you have to simply press the power button once to turn your device on, and then while it's turning on, while you see this logo on your screen, HP logo, just start holding the power key once again to turn it off, and then repeat this process one more time, sometimes more than once. Okay, so I've just pressed the power button. Now let's hold it down again, and usually at the third time, if we power on the PC, it will prepare the automatic repair, which will transfer us into the recovery mode. So let's wait if we see the preparing automatic repair sign. Okay, if you see it, you don't have to turn off your device anymore, and just wait until your device boots into the recovery mode. And as you can see, we got locked by BitLocker. Now what you have to check is the first part of the key ID, this one, and find the matching BitLocker key. Then enter it into this field and press enter to continue. Okay, since the code is entered, just have to press enter and wait until your device is unlocked. Now wait until your PC is being diagnosed, or while your PC is being diagnosed. And once you see this automatic repair window, what you have to do is click Advanced Options and then proceed with selecting any option in your recovery mode. But for now I'm gonna just continue and get back to the Windows that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.